Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by stabilizing the watch face down on a soft cloth so parts won't roll away. Use a spring bar tool or a 1/2 size flat screwdriver to engage the small shoulder of the spring bar. This compresses the bar so it clears the lug. Once done, angle the tool slightly toward the strap to release tension, then gently pull the strap away from the case. This step matters because uncontrolled force bends spring bars or scratches the case, so move slow and steady. You now compress the spring bar inward while holding the strap so it won't snap free. This exposes the free end from the lug hole. Make sure to feel the click when it clears. That's your cue to gently slide the strap out laterally, not perpendicular. Once the bar is free on one side, use tweezers to remove it safely and place it in a small container. Repeat the same controlled motion on the other lug, keeping parts organized for reassembly later. You finish by deciding whether to fit a new strap or reinstall the old one. Align the spring bar into the strap, compress it, and seat each end into the lug holes until you hear or feel a click. If the bar won't seat, make sure the hole is clean and unobstructed. Use magnification and a tiny drop of cleaning fluid if needed. If a spring bar is bent or damaged, replace it with an identical length and diameter. This
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.